In recent years, Samsung has continuously introduced new foldable flip phones. Therefore, there is no need to doubt that Samsung will introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 5 this year. Samsung's mobile chief recently stated that the company's foldables could ship more units by 2025 than its S-series flagships. In an effort to establish its flexible line as the new standard for cell phones, the corporation is placing a significant wager on it. The Z Flip 5 has previously been the subject of rumors. Samsung hasn't formally endorsed the launch information yet, though. As the business approaches its second Unpacked event of the year, we anticipate that it will begin to tease the phone. For the past 3 years, Samsung has introduced new foldable phones around August. In August 2023, it is therefore very likely that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will also be made available. The phone should go on sale a week or two after the unveiling. This year, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 might see some much-needed design upgrades. For starters, Samsung is anticipated to provide it a new hinge mechanism to lessen display creasing even more. According to display analyst Ross Young, Samsung has created a teardrop-style hinge that is similar to those found on the Motorola Razr 2022 and Oppo Find N2 Flip, which could lessen creasing. The foldable display's two sides could also be closed flat against one another without a gap in the center. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is anticipated to gain a new hinge in addition to a larger cover screen, a 1.9 inches cover display that functions admirably as a second screen. Young's knowledge suggests that Samsung might extend the Flip 5's screen size to 3.8 inches. On April 5th, Ross Young also shared color schemes for the Z Flip 5. The new foldable will be offered in the colors beige, gray, light green, and light pink. Trustworthy leaker the Snapdragon 4 Galaxy processor, most likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, will be available in the Z Flip 5, according to Yogesh Brar. The phone will offer storage options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, according to Sam Mobile. Similar to the 128GB option of the Galaxy S23, the Z Flip 5's 128GB storage model is most likely to make use of a UFS 3.1 chip. The new UFS 4.0 specification with better read-write speeds could be added to the other variations. Yogesh Brar has also provided information about camera specifications, suggesting that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will include a dual rear camera setup. He explains that the phone will include a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, so perhaps there will be significant increases in image quality. Despite the frequent price increases of other smartphone manufacturers, Samsung has thankfully maintained its prices over the past few years. Similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 3, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 initially cost $999 for the 128GB model. The clamshell is challenging to outperform at this pricing in the foldable phone market. Although there aren't any price rumors for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 just yet, we don't believe Samsung will change its proven strategy. Still, we anticipate that the Galaxy Z Flip 5's entry-level model will cost $999. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. So, thank you again, and we'll see you in the next time.